One bee said, "Oh, perhaps the monkey gets things from branch to branch." Others guessed. Gigi wanted to find out who did it. We will find out who did this, but for now, we must rebuild the house and continue collecting food, Gigi said. Everyone agreed that this was the right thing to do. They all got to work again. But after a while, they noticed someone trying to put his paw inside the hive. Gigi and her friends acted quickly and chased away the intruder. Today, we managed to save our house and food. I'm worried that this is not the end of it, Gigi said. The bees were worried. A few days later, someone tried to put his paw into the hive again, just as Gigi predicted. It was a hog's paw. Gigi and her friends attacked. Little Bear fell down and hit the ground. "No, don't attack him," Gigi shouted to her friends. "How can you take our food? We tried for hours to make a little of it," Gigi asked the little bear. "My parents used to feed me, but I cannot find them anymore. That is why I came here," Little Bear explained, crying. Gigi and her friends felt sad.